بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and enjoying Google Classroom for learning new things. Kindly be more punctual and vigilant in doing assigned work. Keep a pen in your hand to note down the important points while watching video because you have to solve quiz and questions at the end. If you find anything difficult, feel free to ask. Let us have a short overview of previous lesson. 1. Lead is a soft gray metal element that occurs naturally in the earth. 2. Zinc is a metal which is used to plate other metals to save them from rust. 3. Kazakhstan ranks 9th in the world for zinc production. 4. Nickel is a chemical element with the symbol Ni. It is a silvery white lustrous metal with a slight golden tinge. 5. Indonesia is the 4th largest producer of nickel in the world. Dear students, the topic for today is minerals and natural resources of Muslim world. In this topic, you are going to learn about the gold and silver. Both gold and silver are considered as precious metals. We have already learned that minerals are defined as solid, inorganic, naturally occurring substances with a definite chemical formula and general structure. Dear student, gold extraction refers to the processes required to extract gold from its ores. Gold mining from alluvium ores was once achieved by techniques associated with placer mining such as simple gold panning and sluicing, resulting in direct recovery of small gold nuggets and flakes. These flakes then melted to convert into gold bar and gold jewelry. 1. A yellow precious metal, used especially in jewelry and decoration and to guarantee the value of currencies. 2. Indonesia, 7th, and Uzbekistan, 9th, rank among the top 10 producers of the world's gold. Gold is one of the earliest metals discovered, but it is so soft that it is of not much use for most practical purposes. Its value through the ages has been as a precious metal which can be made into complex shapes as it is so malleable. It is not affected by most chemical or other conditions and never tarnishes. Gold artifacts excavated in ancient tombs, such as that of Tutankhamun, look exactly as they were when they were made. Apart from its value as a precious metal, gold is now used extensively in computers and satellites and, of course, for dental purposes and gilding. Gold is used in space equipment too, partly because it does not tarnish but also, with silver, it is one of the best conductors of electricity known. Dear students, silver was discovered after gold and copper about 4000 BCE, when it was used in jewelry and as a medium of exchange. To recover silver from zinc-bearing ores, the Parkes process is used, the crust is removed, and the metals undergo a distillation process to remove the zinc from the silver. To extract silver from copper-containing ores, an electrolytic refining process is used. 1. Silver is a chemical element with the symbol Ag. A soft, white, lustrous transition metal, it exhibits the highest electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and reflectivity of any metal. 2. Kazakhstan ranks 9th in the world for silver production. Dear students, today its diverse properties make it an important ingredient in many chemical processes, especially photography. It is also used in solar panels as a reflector, 97%, and as an electrical conductor. However, silver tarnishes on exposure to air and has to be cleaned. Silver is also used for expensive, decorative, domestic objects like vases, dishes, plates, bowls, mugs, and trays. It may be of interest to know that silver has healing and cell regeneration properties too, and is used universally for purification of drinking water and swimming pools. Dear students, you have to solve the given worksheet and short question on your neat notebook. Question 1, mention some of the uses of gold. Question 2, write some of the uses of silver. If you find anything difficult in today's lesson, feel free to ask. Thanks.